Welcome to Keto Crazy Diabetes Info. Discover how the keto diet can help manage diabetes and improve overall health. Watch the video now to learn more about this transformative lifestyle for diabetes management.
The ketogenic diet, or keto diet, is a way of eating that's gaining a lot of attention. It's not just a fad, it's a lifestyle change that many people are adopting for its potential health benefits. It's all about drastically reducing carbohydrates, like bread and pasta, which are common staples in many diets. By cutting out these carbs and replacing them with healthy fats and moderate amounts of protein, you can create meals that are both satisfying and nutritious. Think avocados, nuts, olive oil, and fatty fish, like salmon. This shift in your diet puts your body into a metabolic state known as ketosis. In ketosis, your liver converts fats into ketones, which then become your body's primary energy source. In ketosis, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy instead of relying on carbohydrates. This can lead to significant weight loss and improved energy levels. This metabolic switch has a wide range of effects on your body, including better blood sugar control and reduced inflammation. Many people report feeling more energized and focused on keto. They also notice improvements in their mental clarity and overall mood, making it easier to stick to the diet long term. The keto diet isn't just another fad diet. It's backed by scientific research and has been growing in popularity for its potential health benefits. People are turning to keto for weight loss, improved mental clarity, increased energy levels, and even as a potential tool for managing certain health conditions. While more research is always being conducted, the initial findings regarding keto's impact on health, particularly in areas like metabolic health and blood sugar control, are promising. Chronic fatigue can be debilitating, making even simple tasks feel impossible. While the causes of chronic fatigue are complex and vary from person to person, some individuals find relief by adopting a ketogenic diet. The theory is that by switching your body's primary fuel source from glucose, sugar, to ketones, fat, you're providing a more stable and sustainable form of energy, potentially reducing energy crashes and fatigue. Section 4. The science behind keto and fatigue. Studies exploring the link between the keto diet and chronic fatigue syndrome, or CFS, are still in their early stages. Researchers are delving into how the high-fat, low-carb nature of the keto diet might influence energy levels and overall fatigue. However, some research suggests that a ketogenic diet may improve symptoms of fatigue in certain individuals. This is particularly interesting for those who suffer from chronic fatigue syndrome, as managing energy levels is a significant challenge for them. For instance, one study found that a ketogenic diet led to improvements in fatigue levels in people with CFS. Participants reported feeling more energized and capable of engaging in daily activities without the overwhelming sense of tiredness. This could be due to the diet's impact on mitochondrial function, as the mitochondria are responsible for producing energy in our cells. By providing a more efficient fuel source, the keto diet may enhance the mitochondria's ability to generate energy. Further research is needed to fully understand the relationship between keto, mitochondria, and fatigue. But the initial findings are intriguing. Scientists are hopeful that continued studies will shed more light on how dietary changes can significantly impact energy levels and overall well-being. Section 5. Keto's impact on diabetes management. One area where the keto diet shows significant promise is in the realm of diabetes management. The keto diet's emphasis on reducing carbohydrates, which directly impact blood sugar levels, makes it a potentially valuable tool for individuals with type 2 diabetes. By limiting carbs, the keto diet helps stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing the need for the body to produce as much insulin. This can be particularly beneficial for those with insulin resistance, a hallmark of type 2 diabetes. Section 6. Take control of your health with keto. The ketogenic diet offers a unique approach to health and wellness that is capturing the attention of many. By focusing on high-fat, low-carb foods, it aims to shift your body into a state of ketosis, where fat is burned for energy instead of carbohydrates. While not a cure-all, the potential benefits of keto, particularly for those with chronic fatigue and diabetes, are certainly worth exploring. Many people report increased energy levels, better blood sugar control, and even weight loss. As always, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant dietary changes, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. They can provide personalized advice and monitor your progress to ensure you're on the right track. They can help you determine if the keto diet is right for you and can guide you on how to implement it safely and effectively. With the right guidance, you can take control of your health and potentially experience the numerous benefits that a ketogenic lifestyle has to offer. If you liked the video, please share, comment, and subscribe.